review from Arshiner. So many designs to choose from. The material is like so soft and lightweight.
And it's crop top.
Yeah, a little bit cropped, but not like cropped. So you don't have to worry, you know, if you raise your hands maybe, but otherwise it's not like super cropped. So really great for little girls through tweens. They've got pockets, pockets.
Oh, and they're actually big.
Yes, nice big pockets. Nice elastic, very stretchy waistband. This one is kind of a yellow, like a buttery yellow, blue, a little bit of pink in here. Let's see what the hood's up. This one is black and white. Okay, a king cobra look over here. And let's see it normal. A normal hood. There we go, spin around. Super cute. The cut, it's like really nice and high cut, nothing like looped or V-neck or anything.
Or like
yeah,
this.
Super cute.
Guys, look. Wait.
We like it. Hood up behind the ears. It's a vibe.
It's a vibe.
It's a vibe.
You hit
It's a vibe.